So today's look, I'm gonna do like a smoky eye using all brown shades and earthy tones, and I'm gonna use the British Cosmetics palette, and it's called Earthy Sensation, and it has all like the earthy tones and the best colors that you need to create this look. And you can see there are matte colors and the shimmer colors. So I think this palette is perfect to use, create a smoky eye. So let's get into it. So for my foundation, I'm gonna use Natural Ivory from British Cosmetics, which is like perfectly my tone. Few swipes, not too much. I'm gonna blend it with this brush, with the blending brush. So I'm done with my foundation, and now it's time to bake. So I'm gonna use the cream compact powder of British Cosmetics, and it's this shade. So I'm done with my foundation, and it's time for blush. So I'm gonna use B5 Rouge from British Cosmetics. So I'm gonna do the smoky eye, starting on the smoky eye. So I'm gonna like fill in the whole lid like this. And then you can blend from the same brush. Very simple like this. So yeah, this is the darkest shade in the palette. Same application. So you can do this for any night function or any function. Those easiest makeup. So we're gonna do a wing liner. That's how you do it. I really like this because of the tip of it, because it's not like a just brush. It's like all together. Because the brush is stiff, so it's easy to control. And you do the same thing on the other side. So I'm done with the eyeliner with my wing, and now I'm gonna give some definition using this shade, and I'm gonna mix it with this. So to finish this look, I'm gonna use British Cosmetics, this color number 16. It's a matte color. So this is like a light shade, and so you can use this color like during the day. For the same eye look, you can use this color, and this is like good for workwear, like to the office. This color is nice. And then if you want to change after work, if you want to go for a party or something, you just do like that. Then you take MT21 of British Cosmetics, so that's like a bright maroon, and see the difference already, right? So yeah, so this is like after work, night function, any night function. So you can use these two colors, you know, number 16 and number 21. So you can use. So that was it for this video, and I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys learned something. This was like a simple basic look. It's kind of a 2-in-1 look. Like 2 lipstick shades can make a huge difference with one like glammed up eye. I'm on Instagram at Noary The Stylist. So I'll be like uploading more videos, and stay tuned for the next video on British Cosmetics. Bye! Glam but not glam. Glam but not glam at the same time.
Sure. Okay, that's good. That's enough.
Done. So this is like a hack. British Cosmetics eyeliner hack, okay? Learn from me for many hacks. Thank you, British Cosmetics. Your eyeliner is almost finished though. Say nothing. You can use this like a daytime. What English was that? Again. And I hope you guys like it. And I don't know what to say.
Action.
So come on. Okay.
Action.
So I'm done with my foundation, and it's time for blush. So no.
Keep going.
Blush. How do I describe this?